From today onwards, we are starting with section 1, that is early societies, and the first chapter, name of the chapter is From the Beginning of Time. Now, this entire chapter has got two themes, but today we will be discussing only the first theme, which is the beginning of human existence. Now, this beginning of human existence, the archaeologists, they have almost taken 200 years. Before 200 years onwards, they have been going for all these discoveries, and it has been discovered that the human existence started almost 5.6 million years ago. Now, based on these discoveries, how do we know what are the things which has been found? There are different fossils the archaeologists they have found, cave paintings are there, stone tools are there, which has come up to a point that this entire evolution has been taken place and later on got categorized into 4 phases. I would like to request all of you now to concentrate on this diagram. Now this, when this evolution started almost 5.6 million years ago, the evolution or the existence of man was like an ape. You can see there are 4 different diagrams given of the skull structure. Now this point A is the skull of an ape. Then point B is the skull of an Australopithecus. Now what is Australopithecus? Austral means southern part and Pithecus means an ape. So Australopithecus are basically the skulls which have been discovered in the southern part of the world. Southern part means the African side and the south part of Asia. Now section C is Homo erectus, which is also erect means also known as upright man, and number D is Homo sapiens, also known as wise man. Now if you very minutely check out this diagram of the skulls, this A and B, this was categorized as hominoids. Who were hominoids? Hominoids were the man who were quadrupeds. Quadrupeds means walking on 4 limbs. Therefore, you are 4 limbs. And number C and D are hominids. Hominids means from the evolution started and they uplifted their first 2 limbs and became 4 limb, FORE, 4 limb man, means they became erect. Now if you check out this diagram, you will find that these quadrupeds, that means A and B, ape and Australopithecus, you see that when they used to walk on 4 limbs, they had larger jaw, can you see, and they had smaller brain structure. Slowly when the evolution took place, then these hominids, they had larger brain structure and smaller jaw. You have to also understand one thing, that when this evolution I'm talking about, keep it in mind that evolution did not happen within 20 years, 50 years or 100 years. Repeatedly I'm telling you that this entire evolution, it took almost 5.6, this we are talking about almost 5.6 million years ago. So it has taken millions of